Welcome back, metalworking enthusiasts, to another exciting project on our journey. Add creativity and craftsmanship in these inventive and raw world develop into the world of welding, taking scrap metal and breathing new life into through skillful technique and innovative idea. Our will unveil the secret behind transforming seeming worthless metal fragment into stunning creation and showcase both your technique, process, and artistic vision. Before we dive into the welding process, let's start with critical step, selecting the right scrap metal. While it might look tempting to pick and discarded metal pieces, strategic choice can greatly impact your favorite person. Look for metal for similar composition and melting point to ensure a seamless period during welding. This thoughtful selection sets a foundation for a strong, aesthetically pleasing final pieces. Equipping yourself with right tools amount to achieving process in metal welding frame form emergency anti-welder to protective gear such as gloves, helmets, and sports investment in high-quality equipment ensure not only your safety but also quality of your work, including proper ventilation, eye protection, and a culture this workspace to create an environment conducive, focused, and accident-free welding session. Prepping the metal surface before welding is a step that should never short, clean and remove any rust, paint and contaminant for scrap metal pieces. Utilize wire brush, sandpaper, even chemical solution to achieve a surface ensuring the weld integrity and appearance. This meticulous preparation promotes optical bonding between metal pieces and minimize the risk of weak turn. With prepared surface, it's time to explore various welding techniques that will bring your project to life. Either you are noise to scenes welder understanding ideal for larger project while TIG welding provides intricate control, perfect for delicate and dedicated work style welding. On the other hand, inward style options sustainable for outdoor application. Heavy metals mastering these techniques empower your select to more fitting approach for your specific project. Creating seamless joint for hand more to skilled welder focus to maintaining contact, feeding work feed, adjusting your welding speed accordingly. This constant prevents overheating and ensures smooth, uniform bead and blend seamlessly with base metal and paying attention to penetration depth and base variance you have achieved a vast joint can you withstand the test of time while also executing professional work craftsmanship. How come to transforming your welding metal into the captivating work of art, either you are crafting functional furniture and decorative pieces. Creative run by Democrats experiment with texture and incorporative contracting materials and debate and integrate your creation. Do not appear to sketch, but also design before you begin, guiding and hand of the shape and venture into your unvarnished masterpieces. Once the welding complete, the journey let over, elevate your pieces to max level with meticulous finishing touch and service treatment. Grind down any excess weld material, ensuring a polished appearance and eliminating any scrap edges. Consider applying various finishes such as paint, paintness, a clear coating, enhance aesthetic appeal and protect metal Korean. These final steps showcase with attention to detail and dedication, producing high quality final product. For the for this detailed guide, we will showcase by step journey of selecting, preparing the welding scrap metal pieces, all while the essential safety made welding techniques ensure first sensible outcome. By the end of this, you are not only have gained valuable insight into the world of metalworking and welding, also satisfaction of crafting something extraordinary and seemingly mundane material. With a focus on safety and efficiency, we will cover essential welding techniques, equipment selection, and proper protective measures, from forcing scrap metal planning and executing to integrate. While this project aimed to require both beginner and experienced welder with the skill and knowledge needed successfully undertake metal upcycling and over. Either you are looking to create a quiet sculpture for a practical household item, this guide will empower you to unleash your creativity while contributing to sustainable practice. So let's dive into the world of welding and scrap metal transformation and unlock endless possibilities in the realm of metal craftsmanship. Practical insight and innovative ideas that will empower that embark on your own welding journey with confidence. Whether you are seeing welder or just starting out, the project promises to expand your skill set and inspire your artistic process. So grab your safety gear and let's dive into the world of welding artists towards scrap metal. So a figure of meticulous preparation, adept selection of welding equipment, and masterful execution of various welding methods and unlock the potential within these bond fragment. Whether you go to the fabric and staining sculpture or a premium utilization item, undertaking provide a step-by-step roadmap to negative reclaim of welding scrap metal. Join us explore the marriage of heat and imagination, breathing new life into discarded pieces through the application of welding expert. Throughout this journey, safety and reclaim paramount as highlights significance, protective gear and proper ventilation when working with welding equipment. Thank you so much for watching this video.